All right, so I was gifted this product by LNDU in exchange for a review. However, my opinion is formulated by myself and not associated with the company. This is the Smart Lock HK01, which is compatible with Apple Home. What I like about the features are the anti-peeking access code, the 50 fingerprints and access code. It's IP54 waterproof, easy installation, one-touch locking, and has an emergency power supply. So this is the front face of the unit. That looks like the fingerprint right there. And this is the back side of the unit. You actually got, it looks like a manual lock. And this is some of the accessories in the kit. Some more accessories. So if you are looking for a smart lock that is simple to use with Apple Home Key, it's got versatile options for everyone, voice control. It's long-lasting power with alerts, and it's built for your front door or door. I highly recommend checking out the LNDU Smart Lock HK01. Thanks for watching.